Hello everyone, welcome to Mom Can Do Anything. In this video, I'll be upcycling this beautiful indigo top of mine. Its size is L and I want to make a dress for my 2-year-old with this one. I do not want to cut and waste the fabric, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'll gather the fabric by putting some pleats on it. For that, from the center, mark 4 pleats on each side, spaced at 1 inch each. Let me show you that. After marking, draw vertical lines from all the markings for a length of about 8 to 9 inches. Then fold along each of these lines and stitch 0.25 inches all along the marking. These are 2 such pleats. Repeat for all 8 markings. This is how it looks. You can keep it like this or iron it flat. Both would look good. The advantage of doing this is that whenever this dress becomes tight, you can just open one pleat from each side and it will be loose by nearly 1 inch. You can keep repeating it till you open all the pleats and you can wear it for a really long time. So now the front side is done. For the back side, I will just put a single pleat to adjust the neck of the dress. Fold along the center and stitch a 1 inch pleat of length 8 to 9 inches. Stitch the open part near the neck to the collar so that it doesn't poke from behind. Now let's take a frock for measurement. As you can see, the shoulder and the neck of the top are now perfectly aligned with that of the dress after putting the pleats. All I need to do is cut the armhole and the sides and stitch it. Also, remove the string from the top and attach it at the same place as that of the frock. Here it is. The armhole is traced and I have kept 2 inches extra on both the sides for alteration. I will keep the length as it is. Now hem the armhole, put the string in place and stitch the sides. You can also add some lace to enhance the look. Here is the final look. Isn't it adorable? All I have done is adjust the neck size and cut an armhole. No fabric wastage. I hope you like my idea. Please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Thank you for watching.